Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today I've got something super practical and helpful for you all. We're going to learn how to clean your electric coffee pot and make it look absolutely sparkly. You won't believe how easy and effective this method is. So let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need a simple ingredient that's probably already in your kitchen: vinegar. Vinegar is slightly acidic, which makes it perfect for breaking down the stubborn dirt and stains inside your coffee pot. So grab that bottle of vinegar and let's get started. Now, carefully pour a bit of vinegar into the bottom of the coffee pot. You don't need too much, just enough to cover the bottom. Next, fill the rest of the coffee pot with clean water. This helps dilute the vinegar and create a cleaning solution that's just right. Now, place the coffee pot onto the machine and turn it on. We're going to let it work its magic and bring the water to a boil. As the water boils, the steam will rise and start cleaning the inside of the coffee pot. It's like a natural disinfectant, so you can relax knowing your pot is getting a good clean. Once the water has boiled, go ahead and turn off the machine. Now here comes the waiting part. Let the vinegar water sit inside the pot for about 20 minutes. This gives it time to work its magic and break down all that dirt and grime. Time to say goodbye to that vinegar water. Carefully pour it out. You'll notice it's now carrying away all that gunk with it. Rinse the pot thoroughly with clean water to get rid of any vinegar smell. Now fill the pot with fresh water once again. We're going to give it another boil, just to ensure any remaining traces of vinegar are completely gone. Great! Now that your coffee pot is all disinfected, it's time to give it that sparkle. Grab a clean cloth and wipe down the inside and outside of the pot. You'll be amazed at how clean and shiny it looks. If you really want that coffee pot to shine like new, try this little trick. Pour a small amount of olive oil onto a cloth and gently wipe down the surface. It's like giving your pot a little treat. Don't forget the small parts. If there are any nooks and crannies you can't reach, like around the cord area, simply remove the cord and use a toothpick or a small brush to clean them up. And there you have it, a sparkling clean coffee pot that looks as good as new. I hope this step-by-step guide has been helpful for you. Remember, a little cleaning goes a long way in keeping your kitchen appliances in tip-top shape. Thanks so much for joining me today, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care and happy brewing!